Hello, this is Manisha Sonone from SCNTC. Today I am here to give a presentation on data analysis. These are the outlines. Question 1. Statistical data analysis uh, is a procedure of performing a various statistical operation depending upon the numbers of the variable. The researcher perform the different statistical techniques. The basic course of the statistical data analysis to identify the trends. For example, in the retailing business, the methods can be approached to uncover patterns in unstructured and semi-structured consume data that can be used to making more powerful decision for enhancing customer experience and programming sales. First is the probability is the measure of likelihood that an event will occurs in a random experiment. Probability is quantified as a number between quantified as a number between 0 and 1, where loosely speaking 0 indicates the impossibility and 1 indicates the certainty. The higher the probabilities of an event, the more likely it is that the event will be occurs. Second is the sampling and sampling distribution. Data uh, data sampling, it is the structure analysis techniques used to select, the manipulate and analyze the representation in which a data can points to identify patterns and trends to the layered data set being examine. Sampling distribution. A sampling distribution is a probability distribution of the statistical obtained from a larger number of the samples drawn from a specified population. Third is a testing. A statistical analysis hypothesis testing, also known as the t-testing, is the key to testing the two set of the random variables within a data set. Hypothesis testing formula is the result of the statistical hypothesis test needs to interpret to make a specific claim, which are referred to as a p-value. Let's move forward. Question number 2. Write a program to create a num array to perform the following operation: average, mean, median. Explain all of the above method. Uh, mean. The mean is the average for the most common value in a collection of number. The mean is the essentially a model of a data set of all values of in a collection of a number divided by the number of the numbers in a collection. Median as the statistical measure that determines the median value of the data set. Listen as the ascending order. The measure divides the lower half from the higher half of the data set. Along with the mean and mode, median is the measure a central tendency. Average. An average of a list of data is the expression of the central value of the set, a set of the data. Mathematically, it is defined as the ratio of summation of all the data to the number of the units present in the list. Let's move forward. Question number 3. What are the some challenge what are the some challenges? Question number 2. Execution. Write a program to create the num array to perform the following operation: average, mean, median. Explain all of the above methods. uh, this is the program. NumPy means the average function calculate the arithmetic means along with the specified access. It is the NumPy library. Import NumPy as NP. Firstly, I define the array. Then it print. Then calculate the average. Calculate the average. I write the NP dot average to calculate the average. This is uh, then I calculate the mean. NumPy is the module to find the mean by np.means. Then I calculate the median. I return x is equals to 1 means it calculate 1 as a row. This is the output of mean, average and median. Question number 3. What are the some of the challenges you have faced during the data analysis? First is the amount of the data being collected. With the today's data driven organization and the introduction of a big data, risk manage and other employees are often overwhelmed with the amount of the data that is collected. Visual representation of the data to be understand to impactful data often needs to be visually present in graph or character. While these tools are incredibly useful, it's difficult to build the manually data from the multiple source. The next issue is trying to analyze the data across the multiple disjoint source. Different process of data are often housed in different system. Fourth is the inaccessible data. Moving the data into the one centralized system has a little impact if it is not easily accessible to the people that needs it. Poor quality data. Nothing is more harmful to data analytic than incorrect data without good input output will be unreliable. Let's move forward. Question number 4. Execution. Load data CVS file. Mention the size. Draw the pair plot of fuel type by dropping and without dropping NaN values. Mention title X label, Y label. First I import the libraries, then import the pandas as PD, then import the pair plot as a plot, import numpy as a np, and import cbon as a sns. Here I need to import dataset for the fuel type. This is actual code. pair plot Pair plot is the parameters to use all the plots in a single plot. SNS is for Cbun. Cbun SN is for the Cbun library. Card data. Card data means we calculate all data. I can all data. This is actual code. SNS dot pair plot bracket card data comma kind equals to scattered comma u false type equals to false type. uh, I can use to plt dot show. It is for the plotting the graphs. Thank you.